Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hello everyone. Today I will discuss about the IELTS examinations. So first of all, we have to know that what is IELTS. Different things you will be learned, like what is IELTS, who are sitting for the IELTS examinations, which types of documents we have to ensure for sitting for the IELTS, and what is the marking systems of IELTS. So I'm requesting all of the viewers, you just complete the whole videos. You will be able to understand all the things about the IELTS. Okay, IELTS means English International English Language Systems. So if you want to go outside of the country, English speaking country, you have to ensure your English skill. So basically Cambridge University is controlling the IELTS examination. There are two organizations which are just taking the exam. One is the British Council, another one is the IDP. So both organizations are controlled by the Cambridge University. Then there are two types of IELTS category. One is the academic IELTS, another one is the GT. Academic, that means if you want to study outside of the country, you have to sit for the academic part. And if you want to get the job outside of the country, or if you want to live outside of the country, you have to sit for the GT. GT, that means general training. So what is the basic difference between GT and academic? In academic, in the writing part, there are two parts. First part, you have to describe the graph. On the other hand, who are sitting for the GT, they have to write down the letter. And another difference is that reading part will be different. GT's reading part little bit easier than the academic, you can say, because academic who are going over there, they are going for the study. Then total band score of IELTS is 9. Every part you have to sit for the 9. Like there are 4 parts in the IELTS: speaking, listening, reading and writing. All parts actually have the equal mark, that means 9. Suppose if you get the speaking 8.5, listening 8, then reading 7.5 and writing 6. So 4 parts will be summarized, totally like 30. Then they will divide it by the 4. So it would be the 7.5. So number will not be that like 7.25. When you will get 7.25 after dividing by the 4, your score will be increased like 7.50. So that's the thing. So and when you will your result will be 7.75, it would be 8. So that result will be 7, 7.5, 8, 8.5. That way they will actually provide the marks. So IELTS examinations basically in the speaking part held in a day, only you have to sit for the viva. They will ask in English and you have to sit for that 12 to 15 minutes. You have to sit for the speaking. They will ask different questions. You know that in the speaking there are 3 parts. The first parts they will ask the general questions. What's your name? Where are you from? The types of general questions they will ask. In the second part, they will give you the cue card and you have to think 1 minute. Then you have to speak like 1 minute 30 seconds to maximum 2 minutes. Sometimes they will stop you, or sometimes you have to stop yourself. And third part, they will actually take the opinion from you. It will be the like you have to answer the questions broadly, 5 or 6 sentences or 3 or 4 sentences like that. This is the speaking part. In the another 3 parts, listening, reading and writing will be held in a day. The total time will be 2 hours and 40 minutes. First part will be the listening. They will play in audio and you have to listen and you have to write down. Then they will give you the 10 minutes to transfer this answer to the answer script. When you will listen the audio, that's before ending of the time, they will provide you the reading sheet, and just after finishing the listening test, instantly there is no gap break, so you have to sit for the reading part. Reading part, you know that there are 3 passages. You have to solve these 40 questions within 1 hour. And last part was is that you can say writing. So writing part will be held on also 1 hour. So total 3 parts will be held in a day at a time continuously. It is 2 hours and 40 minutes. So before sitting for the IELTS, you have to ensure the passport. Anyone can sit for the IELTS. You have to ensure the passport. So who have no passport, you just try to make the passport. So that is the fundamental things about the IELTS. So I think who are taking the preparation, best wishes for the IELTS about your life. Inshallah, see you in the another video.